how to get dragon costume on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat right here. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the corner of your screen. Now, once inside, you have to click on the hanger icon above your profile. Now, once inside the hanger icon, you can just go ahead and swipe up this pop-up menu, and once again you want to click on the hanger once more. Inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you came across the animals category, in which case it's this one right here. You can go ahead and choose between the green dragon or the red dragon. You want to go ahead and click on it, and so as you can go ahead and see, we have managed to apply the dragon costume on our Snapchat. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.